Now, can you answer the following JAMB questions? I need you to attempt them because you don't need to be surprised when you enter the exam hall. So I'm giving you this to know how prepared you are for JAMB Use of English exam. And in this area, I'll just give you about 5 to 10 questions and expect you to give me the answers. We are looking at in each of the questions I will give you, choose the option nearest in meaning to the words or phrase in italics. Nearest in meaning, nearest in meaning, no, nearest in meaning. We are looking at synonyms now, okay? Question 1. The principal order was imperative. The principal's order was imperative. We are looking at nearest in meaning. A. Necessary. B. Optional. C. Authoritative. D. Genuine. You tell me the answers in the comment section. We are looking at synonyms, nearest in meaning. The principal order was imperative. Is it necessary? Is it optional? Is it authoritative? Is it genuine? Okay. The lawyer's argument of the case was exhaustive. The lawyer's argument of the case was exhaustive. What is nearest in meaning of exhaustive? A. Exaggerating. B. Thorough. C. Fascinating. And D. Interesting. Don't run away from these questions. Answer them. Even if you are not able to get 10 over 10 or even if you get 3 over 10, just shall answer them because you will encounter these questions inside your JAMB hall. You will encounter questions on nearest in meaning. The lawyer's argument of the case was exhaustive. Is it exaggerating? Is it thorough? Is it fascinating or interesting? Tell me the answer to question 2, question 42 in the comment section. He was reluctant to grant my request. This is question 43, question 3. He was reluctant to grant my request. And the word we are looking at here is reluctant. A. He was, is it disposed? Similar meaning of reluctant, is it disposed? B. Willing. C. Reticent. D. Casual. He was reluctant to grant my request. Now, are we looking at A? The similar meaning of reluctant, is it disposed? Is it willing? Is it reticent? Or is it casual? I am waiting for you in the comment section. This is how I know the serious members of this channel. Those of you that are seriously preparing for JAMB. Like I often tell you, JAMB is not a child's play. JAMB is a very, very serious exam. So the earlier we begin to prepare you, the earlier I begin to give you these videos, the better for us. Also, I've done a lot of videos on use of English. I mean, I've done a lot of expo questions. I've done a lot of use of English questions and answer, past question and answer, expected question. If you need me to give you access, the link to all the videos we've done on use of English, so that you can begin to prepare, you can ask me for it in the comment section and I could give it to you. That is for members of our YouTube channel, if you're already a full member of this YouTube channel. Okay, question number 4. It takes a great deal of stamina to run the marathon race. We are looking at similar meaning. No? It takes a great deal of stamina to run the marathon race. What is the nearest meaning of stamina? A. Courage. B. Energy. C. Intelligence. D. Determination. It takes a great deal of stamina to run the marathon race. The nearest meaning of stamina in this sentence is, could it be courage, energy, intelligence, and determination? I am waiting for you in the comment section. Okay, look at this question. The financial situation is so precarious that very soon it may be insolvent. My financial situation is not a portion. My financial situation is so precarious that very soon I may be insolvent. What does it mean to be insolvent? Tell us a word similar in meaning to insolvent. A. I may be bankrupt. B. I may be stealing. C. I may be soluble. D. I may be borrowing. Similar in meaning, my financial situation is so precarious that very soon I may be insolvent. Similar meaning of insolvent, is it A, bankrupt? Is it B, stealing? Is it C, soluble? Or is it D, borrowing? Please attempt these questions. You may be wrong, you may be right, but let me see your answer. I will be in the comment section knowing those that got it right and those that got it wrongly. It's better you attempt it and fail it than that you dodge it. Okay. The minister explained the execution of the project had been impeded by lack of fund. The minister explained that the execution of the project had been impeded by a lack of funds. Impeded. What does it mean to impede? What is similar meaning of impeded? A. Cancelled. B. Hindered. C. Banned. D. Suspended. The minister explained that the project has been impeded by lack of funds. Is it cancelled, hindered, banned, and suspended? Question 47. We are still looking at similar in meaning. The social critic was asked to recant the allegation he made against the government. The social critic was asked to recant the allegations he made against the government. Now we are looking at recant. Similar meaning of recant. A. Withdraw. B. Confirm. C. Substantiate. And D. Recount. The social critic was asked to recant the allegations he made against the government. What is the answer? Is it A. Withdraw? Similar meaning of recant. Is it A. Withdraw? B. Confirm. C. Substantiate. And D. Recount. Don't dodge from these questions. Do not dodge from these questions. They will help you, right? They will really help you. Okay, let's look at question 48. Remember that I've also done a lot of videos on your other subjects. Beyond use of English, we've done several videos, expo question, past question and answer on chemistry, physics, biology, economics, government, literature, use of English, the JAMB novel, all of them. Any one of them that you need. If you are a serious student and you're already a full member of this YouTube channel, you can ask me to give you access, the link to all of those videos. But first, you have to be a member of our YouTube channel. If you don't know how to be a member, just let me know, ask me, and I could give you the link. You just click here on YouTube. You just a few clicks, and you become a full member of our channel. The robbers' two jet terms are to run concurrently. The robbers' two jet terms are to run concurrently. What does it mean for something to be concurrent? How do you know the similar meaning? A. Alternatively. B. Simultaneously. C. Consecutively. D. Consistently. The robbers' two jet terms. I know this answer. I feel like just telling you, but this is a test. Just attempt it. Let's know how you fare. Okay? We move on. A journalist would do well not to express judicial views. A journalist would do well not to express prejudicial views. You know, prejudice. A journalist would do well not to express prejudicial views. What does it mean? A. Unbiased views. Similar meaning of prejudicial. A. Unbiased views. B. Biased views. C. Hostile views. D. Spiteful views. A journalist will do well not to express prejudicial views. Prejudicial comes from what? Prejudice. Okay? Is it unbiased? Is it biased? Is it hostile? Or is it D. Spiteful? I'm waiting for you in the comment section for the answer. And the last question I'm giving you here is, he worked very hard throughout his life, but he died in penury. He worked very hard throughout his life, but he died in penury. What is the similar in meaning of penury? A. Riches. B. Poverty. C. Affluence. D. Sickness. Similar in meaning of penury. Is it? He worked very hard throughout his life, but he died in penury. A. Riches. B. Poverty. C. Affluence. And D. Sickness. Tell me the answer in the comment section. I am waiting for the answer to all of them from question. We started from question 41 or so, and we now answered all of them. Tell me what you think is the answer in the comment section. Right, I'm leaving for you a very important video on the screen. Click on it and watch now. And also you can ask me for the other videos we've done if you're already a member. If you want to learn how to be a member, let me know. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, and share this video. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also like this video now.